devastated and heartbroken. Apple CEO Tim Cook on Kobe's demise. Apple CEO Tim Cook tweeted, "Devastated and heartbroken by the passing of Kobe Bryant. I admired his athletic prowess from afar and his humanity close up. He was an original." The NBA legend and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna were among the 9 people who died in a helicopter crash on Sunday. The helicopter crashed into a hillside in Calabasas, California. 3,000 government email IDs breached, including IDs of ISRO. Nuclear scientists report at least 3,000 government email IDs with the gov.in extension, including entities like BARC, ISRO, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, have been found to be compromised. According to the Quint, the passwords of the email IDs have reportedly been leaked in plain text across multiple databases of leaked emails on the deep web and dark web. Harvard professor Clayton, who coined the term disruptive innovation, dies at 67. Clayton Christensen, a longtime Harvard Business School professor who authored the best-selling business book, The Innovator's Dilemma, passed away age 67 in Boston. Known for Christensen's theory, he coined the buzzword disruptive innovation. The theory states that newer ideas in business and technology could create new markets and disrupt older ones, displacing established market leaders. YouTube moderators told to sign contract acknowledging risk of PTSD. Reports some YouTube content moderators are being forced to sign contracts acknowledging the job could impact their mental health and cause post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The Verge reported. The document was given to workers after a report highlighted the mental toll that moderators face after reviewing disturbing content. 2 workers alleged they were told to either sign or face termination. Facebook blames phone vulnerabilities for alleged Bezos hack via WhatsApp. Facebook Vice President Nicola Mendelsohn has said the alleged hacking of Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' phone highlights the potential underlying vulnerabilities in smartphone operating systems. Another VP, Nick Clegg, expressed similar views. Bezos' iPhone X was reportedly hacked after receiving a message, including a video file, on Facebook's WhatsApp from Saudi Arabian Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman.